In this revision session, we're going to be looking at 2D drafting, desktop publishing, the impacts of CAD and CAM, 3D virtual modelling, laser cutting and vinyl cutting. The first one we're going to look at is 2D drafting. This type of drafting is used in industry to design and develop graphic products including packaging, products, automotive and architectural designs, detailed engineers' drawings of components and architectural layouts. CAD, or computer-aided design, has become a major factor in lowering the cost of developing a product and greatly shortening the design process and the product's time to the market. The advantage 2D drafting offers is that designs can be changed quickly without the need to redraw anything. Access to a library of standard components such as door swings and furniture. Drawings can be saved electronically, easily retrieved and sent via email. Design data can be sent to CAM equipment to produce a model. The disadvantage: there is a massive learning curve in actually learning the program. CAD programs can be quite complex and they are expensive to purchase, and the users need to be trained on how to use them. The next one we're going to look at is desktop publishing, or sometimes known as DTP. This program combines word processing, graphic design and printing in one program. The textbooks used in school would have been designed using this DTP system. The advantages of desktop publishing software are that it's easy to set up a document. You can add pages and layouts and guides to help you lay out a page. You can manipulate text, graphics and images easily. You can choose from a wide range of typefaces. You can zoom in and zoom out. Documents can be saved electronically and can be electronically sent to a printer. We are now going to look at the impact of CAD and CAM. The modern workforce has had to become a skilled, trained and above all, flexible. Today, a significant number of people working in manufacture are unskilled and low-paid machine operators, assemblers or packers. As automated machinery develops and the use of robots widen, there will be even less human involvement in the manufacturing and production processes of the future. These changes can create emotional and other problems at work. Designing used to be completed by a large drawing office with loads of people working on different components of the same job. These draftsmen used to draw all the pieces by hand, taking a long time. Now the same task can be done with a smaller workforce of skilled computer designers more efficiently and taking less time. Many draftsmen have had to either retrain or face less work or be made redundant. The impact of CAM. Traditionally, workers in manufacturing industries have had to be highly skilled machine operators. School leavers would often follow apprenticeships to learn a skill with a company and then stay with that company until they retire. Operators of CAM machinery now have to be trained to operate different machines and carry out many processing tasks within the manufacturing cell. Gone are the days of narrow specialisation where one person only knew how to complete one piece, albeit to an excellent standard. We are now going to start looking at 3D virtual modelling. 3D virtual models are very good at giving a more realistic impression than 2D drafting tools. Designs using 3D modelling to test designs and see what they look like from various angles. These models then can be manipulated and developed, saving time and money. Often, these 3D models can be tested and evaluated without actually being built, as walkthroughs can be produced of the design to see the interior, and they can be fed into a CAM system to produce a prototype. This technology has now begun to be used in console gaming and in the making of films, as textures, material properties can be added to the model to act as it would in real life. We are now going to look at laser cutting. This process involves cutting through the material using a high-powered laser. The laser is linked to a computer and follows a drawing line produced by the designer. The laser either melts, vaporizes, or burns away the unwanted parts of the material, leaving an edge with a high-quality surface finish. This process is ideal for manufacturing signs from acrylic sheets. The advantage of this process is that lack of physical contact with material produces a clean edge, precision and accuracy, reduces the chance of the material warping, is quick and saves time, and is automated. The disadvantage is it's very expensive machinery and high maintenance and high energy consumption. Also, the user needs to be trained on how to use the equipment. The last thing we're going to look at is vinyl cutting. Vinyl is a common name for PVC and is used to create stickers, individual signs, restaurant frontage or adverts. The process works by the designer designing an image on computer. That image is then sent to the vinyl cutter, which is then cut out onto vinyl. The operator then weeds out the pieces that are not needed. Then with the use of sticky back plastic to remove the vinyl from the backing paper, sticking onto the product, and then removing the sticky back plastic, leaving the vinyl in position. Watching the rest of this podcast will show you how the weeding process is completed. That concludes this section of the revision. If you have any questions, please come and speak to me.